To calculate your tax bracket on United States, we're going to use Tax Bracket Calculator by TurboTax. You may click the first link in the pinned comment. So after you click on the comment, this tab will appear and you may scroll down a bit. Choose on the year that you want to calculate for the tax bracket. After that, you want to click on Filing Status. Choose Single if you're going to file unmarried or legally divorced and not qualified as the head of household status. Choose Married Filing jointly if you are married and will combine your both income, deductions, and credits onto a single return. Choose on Married Filing separately if you are married and choose to report your income, deductions, and credits on two individual, separate tax returns. Choose Head of Household if you are unmarried and pay more than half the cost of maintaining a home for themselves and a qualifying dependent. And then choose on Qualifying Surviving Spouse if you are widowed individuals with dependent children, not remarry, pay over half the household costs, and have a dependent. You may check on the second link on the pinned comment to check your filing status provided by IRS. Just answer some of the questions, and at the end, they will be telling you about your tax filing status. Back to the TurboTax. On annual taxable income, you may insert the portion of your total gross income, such as wages, salaries, bonuses, tips, and investment income after subtracting it with allowable deductions, exemptions, or non-taxable income. And then click on Calculate button. And there you go. Here's your estimated tax bracket according to the U.S. legislation. Or you may also click on the third link on the pinned comment and see the estimated tax bracket according to your income. Just keep in mind that all of these are estimated. Other conditions and situations may make a difference to your filing status or your taxable income. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.